In this video, let us see how to install Jupyter Notebook and run a simple program in it. First, go to search bar and search CMD and open command prompt. Once the command prompt gets opened, type python version. It should display the current version of the Python we are using. If not, we have already made a video on it. Go through that video and install Python. Then type pip version and enter. This should also display the current version of the pip library we are using. If not, we are already made a video on it and go through that video and install the pip. Once checking the Python and pip, then type pip install Jupyter and enter. Now the download process will going to start. I have already downloaded, that's why it is displaying like this. Once after completely downloaded the Jupyter Notebook, type Jupyter Notebook and enter. It will take us to the Jupyter Notebook screen. Here, to run a Python program, click New and click Python 3. Then type print of hello world. Then run it. Now the Jupyter Notebook is successfully installed and executed a hello world program in it.